Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming permissions and positioning. First, open Settings and make sure Location Services is on for compass. This lets the sensor reference GPS. Once done, launch the Compass app and grant motion access if asked, because the magnetometer and accelerometer work together. Then step away from phones, keys, or metal surfaces. Hold the phone at arm's length. Start a smooth, wide figure-8 motion. The phone is sampling orientation, so move deliberately so the sensors can settle and align. Now focus on getting the magnetometer to converge. You will rotate the phone through pitch, roll, and yaw. That means tilt forward and back, roll left to right, then spin horizontally, doing full, slow sweeps so each axis is sampled. Make several figure-8 passes for about 10 to 20 seconds. This gives the phone enough data to reduce magnetic interference and drift. Check the needle and degree readout. When they stop jittering and move smoothly, the alignment is improving, and the app can calculate a stable heading. Finish by validating the result. Close compass and reopen it, then compare the heading with maps to confirm accuracy. If the needle still jitters or shows large errors, move to an open area away from structural metal and electronics, remove any magnetic case, then restart the iPhone and repeat the calibration motions. If problems persist, toggle Location Services off and on to reset permission access, then recalibrate once more. This often resolves sensor conflicts and restores a reliable compass reading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.